Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to FOIL with square roots and the conjugate base pair, because these tend to annoy some people. So let's do some examples. So let's try foiling with square roots because it tends to conjugates. So if we have 2 times the square root of 7 plus 3. Oops. Times 2 times the square root of 7 minus 3. When you have something like this, is the difference of squares, this identity, but we're just going to go ahead and FOIL. So remember, FOIL, it's first term, because these are first terms of each other. So let's actually write this out. So it's going to be 2 times the square root of 7 times 2 times the square root of 7. So first I'm going to times the 2 and the 2, which is going to be 4, and I'm going to apply the product rule of square roots, which says that if we have square root of a times the square root of b, we get square root of ab. So because this looks confusing to some people, just multiply the coefficients and then multiply the inside. So it's going to be 4 times the square root of 49. Now if we simplify this, this becomes 7. So it's going to be 4 times 7, which is going to be 28. So that's our first term. So our first term is going to be 28. Outer. So then again, it's going to be negative 3 times 2 times the square root of 7. So it's going to be negative 3 times 2, so it's going to be negative 6 root 7. So we have negative 6 root 7. Then we're going to do the inner terms, okay, which is going to be positive 6 root 7. Then we're going to do the last term, which is negative 9. So then these cancel out because they add to 0, and we just get 28 minus 9, which is just 21. Make sure. Oh, nope, 19. 19. Oops. Let's try another one. So if we have 4 times the square root of 3 minus 5 times 4 times the square root of 3 plus 5. Let's do the first term. So it's going to be 4 times the square root of 3 times 4 times the square root of 3. So it's going to be 16 times the square root of 9. And this is equal to 3. So it's going to be 16 times 3, which is, I believe, 48. 16 times 3 is 48. So our first term is going to be 48. Then we're going to do our outer term, which is going to be plus 5 times 5 times the square root of 4 over 3, which is going to equal 20 root 3. So we're going to get 20 root 3. Now here it's going to be negative 5 times 5 root 3. So it's going to be negative 20 root 3. Negative 20 root 3. And negative 5 times 5 is going to be negative 25. So then these cancel out, and we get 23. Now let's try one where they don't cancel, because this is the difference of squares. So let me try. 3, the square root of 3 plus the square root of 5 times 3 square root of 3 plus the square root of 5. So let's do the first term, which is the product rule, because the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is going to equal the square root of 9, which is just 3. So our first term is going to be 3. And the second one is going to be the square root of 3 times the square root of 5, which is the square root of 15, which we can't break down. So it's going to be 3 times the square root of 15. The second one is going to be the same thing, square root of 15. And the last one is going to be the square root of 5 times square root of 5, which is going to be 25. Square root of 25, which is going to be 5 plus 5. So now we get is 8 plus 2 root 15. Why? Because this, the square root of 15 plus square root of 15 is like a quantity, so we get two of them. It's like saying x plus x is equal to 2x. Cool. Let's try one like this. So we have 2 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. 2 times the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. So we're going to do 2 times the square root of 2 times 2 times the square root of 2. You get 4 times the square root of 4, which is 2. So our first is going to be 8. So then our second term is going to be 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 3. So we get 2 times the square root of 6. So we get 2 times the square root of 6. We get the same thing here. And then we get square root of 3 plus square root of 3, which is going to be equal to square root of 3 times square root of 3. It's going to equal to square root of 9, which is just 3. So we just get 11 plus 4 root 6. Okay, and that's your answer. So that's how you FOIL when it comes to square roots.